Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. This is the Samsung Galaxy A52, which is going to be one of the best devices in terms of mid-range category, and the spec sheet which is coming inside is obviously great. So in this particular video, we are going to make an unboxing and see what are the box content, what is going to be Samsung offering in terms of design and specification, and how this device is going to be performing. So let's peel off the plastic from it and see what are the box content. So obviously the first thing we have on the back is the warranty card, and it's going to be pretty good. We have the standard box, and we have some stickers here. We have to cut them off. The seal, you can say. So wait for a moment. So both the seals are cut off right now, and we are just going to unwrap this particular machine. So here in the box we have two different category option. We have the IMEI number here, we have the device itself, and the second box has some lid cover placed inside. And let's see, take it off and see what is going to be coming inside that cover. So obviously it's going to be a lead cover here. So it's going to be coming with a SIM ejector pin on the front, and inside that cover we have some startup guide. We have some startup guide here, and also we have the silicone cover. That is pretty much amazing. I am pretty much excited about that particular thing, because since we know that some of the Chinese manufacturers are giving this kind of silicone cover in their devices, so Samsung is providing that good quality silicone cover is really great in such a price tag. So let's put it aside and see what are the other box content. Obviously we have the device itself, and there are some basic information. Main highlights of the device has been written here. It's coming with an Infinity O display, 64 megapixel of main camera sensor with an optical image stabilization, and that is great thing inside the A series camera sensor. We have the IP67 water and dust resistant, and that is obviously going to be pretty amazing. I'm going to test out that as well in my other videos. So let's take it aside, that device, for a moment and see other box content. We have a standard charger inside the box, which is obviously going to be 15 watt inside, and the device is going to be supported by 25 watt. So this is going to be pretty much it in terms of charger. So let's take it aside, and inside that we also have the USB type C cable, which is pretty much standard, and I am thinking this is going to be really good from Samsung by providing a type C, because the USB 2.0 was pretty much old in some of the devices which Samsung were providing. So this is going to be looking great. I am pretty much impressed about Samsung. We don't have any headphones right now inside the box. So that is it in terms of the unboxing of that particular machine. And here is the device, looking great in terms of its color. The awesome blue color is looking stunning. Let's peel it off. So here is the device. I have peeled it off, and it's looking great from the back. It has a nice camera bump on the back side. It's a little bit on the thicker side, not as much thick as it was looking inside some of the render images. It's looking pretty much decent, looking same design just we have seen in the Note devices. Note 20 pretty much it that have a similar design. We have our camera ring, which is looking great. We have a great camera sensor on the back, which is 64 megapixel, and the other are pretty much standard camera sensors. We have an LED flashlight, and the back is looking pretty much amazing. It's looking like we have a matte finish on the back, but it's actually a plastic build. So it's not like a glass build, it's a plastic build. We have a glossy kind of a finish on the back side. I'm pretty much impressed about that color, so I think that this color is going to be amazing. On the left we have the power button, the volume up and down button, and on top we have the same situation and the noise cancellation mic. Bottom has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is pretty good. Type-C port, noise cancellation mic, and you will also have a Dolby Atmosphere supported stereo speakers. And that is it in this particular design of that particular machine. So let's turn it on. And on the front we have a punch hole camera cutout, which is pretty good. We also have a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's a 6.5 inch of a display, so that is going to be good. So let's turn it on and see how this device is going to be looking. So this is going to be for the first time. It is going to be starting up, and let's see how the setup process is going to be looking like. We have a standard setup. Let's go and start it up, and it is asking me to insert the SIM card. I'm not going to do that for a moment. Let's skip it up. Skip. Copy apps and datas. Don't copy. And that pretty much it. Hold a second. We have a different kind of face recognition fingerprint scanner, and by the way, the in-display fingerprint scanner is available here. So let's skip that up, and skip that up as well. So that setup process has been finished, so it's going to be pretty amazing, looking great on the front of the display. I'm pretty much excited about that particular device by testing it out. More and more features which are going to be coming inside, looking great. I think that it is running on maybe on 60 Hz of refresh rate. Let's check it out. Let's search it here and see where the refresh rate is going to be present. So it's on a high 90 Hz of refresh rate as standard, and it's looking pretty much great. I'm looking like that it is pretty smooth right now, no lag, no whatsoever. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out. By the way, it's also coming with a 4500 milliamp of a battery capacity inside, which is pretty amazing. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out to see what is going to be the unboxing. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. It will be a real motivation for me to bring those new devices which are coming, particularly Samsung devices, and also some other cool stuff is going to be coming on the channel. So do consider subscribing it. And that is it in this particular video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.